The next thing we do is a traffic light. Ate Dara, you have to learn the meaning of the color in the traffic light, okay?
Yes, Mom. Yes.
Yes, Mom?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, teacher? Okay. Alright.
First, put it here, here. Do you know how to put it? Twist it. This, like this. Good.
Twist it, twist. Can you? Good job. Is it hard?
Good.
Very
Very good. And Daddy do this. To make a pole. And
It's gonna be the base of the traffic light. The traffic light that we're gonna make is only manual. Manually switch on to other lights.
see,
But Daddy,
but that,
Yeah.
before that,
Yes, look at Daddy.
yeah, you need to put like this, baby. Dara, like this up first. You do this like this, okay? Okay, Daddy will put the negative balance. Okay, and then let's push this. Then next is this. The light. But first, the red one,
Whoa, it's really so.
put here.
You shoot it on the hole.
See? Then what's next?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. This
The
one.
yellow LED, the yellow light.
Abay straight. This is yellow one.
Oh yeah, it looks like color lemon.
It's lemon. Yes. Then what's the next one? Next?
It's green.
Green.
Good job.
Yellow.
Yes. Give up.
Red, yellow, and green.
Good
Good
job.
job. Let's go. Let's combine all blue.
You?
Good. Very good. And we. Then everyone, you put here.
Where? Mm-hmm.
Like this. The other red.
What's this? Yes?
Yeah, the red wires.
And do you know what is this, baby?
I don't know.
It's a resistor. Let's combine it
What is
first.
the use of the resistor, Daddy? To avoid overheating and getting.
More resistor.
Is this now?
And this one here.
It's an alligator clip.
Here. Now let's try.
Wow, there you go. The traffic light. Our mini traffic light DIY toy.
Don't die. Let's die.
How about the next one? The yellow? Wow!
Red.
Good. Let me teach you now. The red light meaning the car should be stopped. Don't move the car, okay? That's the meaning when I switch on the red light, okay? Then when it's yellow, the yellow means get ready to move or get ready to stop.
It don't do.
Yeah, the green means go. Okay? The car should be go. Move. Okay? The green opens. What's the meaning?
Go.
Go. How about the yellow? Yeah, ready to stop or ready to go. Okay? Ready to stop the car or ready to go. What's the meaning of red light?
Stop.
Good job. The green one, go.
No.
The yellow one,
No.
ready to go
No.
or ready to stop. Okay, prepare to stop and prepare to go. Okay? Don't forget that. Okay, let's try it with your cars. Where are your cars?
Stop, red. Then, slow. Yellow. Go.
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 Not backward, forward.
Forward, go.
Go, yes. Go, go. You pass. Yes.
Very good. When you see become a yellow, you slow mo like this. To make it stop.
Meaning prepare to stop if it's yellow, okay? Okay, it's...
And then become yellow, prepare to go now. Then green, go! Shee! Shee! Oh, go! Beep, beep! Moving! Beep, beep! See?
How about if it's red again, Daddy? There should be people crossing the street. Go, let them cross the
Go, you
street.
can go, you can pass because it's red. You can pass.
Yes, that's it. If it's red, it's safe to go because all the cars are stopped.
Up, slow mo, no passing.
Up,
Then
get
go.
ready now. Okay,
Go.
the cars needs to go now.
The car needs to go because it's green.
Yeah.
Go.
It's two-way, it's two-way, two-way.
Now go now. Oh, slow mo.
Slowly.
Stop. Stop.
Ready
stop.
to stop because it's already...
Stop, nothing to
Oh,
do.
it's red already. You have to stop now.
You're not moving because it's red.
Yeah, okay, let the
Let
people
it
pass.
people
Cross the
pass.
street.
The nam-nam will pass.
The dog. Alright. Oh,
Prepare to go.
prepare to go
And
now, cars.
Go.
Go! That's it, okay?